Good morning and welcome to Kitley Intermediate, coming to you live from room A110. Hi, this is Miss Gilman again. Just wanted to share some information about today. Welcome to your math lesson. This math lesson is for Thursday, August 6th, 2020. So this lesson today is going to be a little bit easier than what you will see in the future. So basically today is going to be information. On Google Classroom, I have set up a little section in the classwork called Quick Links. Quick Links is where you're going to find your access for extra math. So what will happen is I will have the link for extra math for your specific class, as well as an updated code list up for you. And so you're going to be able to use that. If for some reason it's not working after tomorrow, let me know. Extra math, I do want you to do and complete every single day. The reason why I want you to do that is because I need you to do and know your math facts as quickly as possible. And it's just fun. It takes 5 to 10 minutes max. It's not even anything super long. I can see who did it yesterday and I can see who didn't. I also can see how well or how rough it was for you. So make sure that you're taking it seriously. I know that it's kind of challenging and it's just kind of repetitive. It's just math facts. But you know what? The harder you work, the more serious you take it, you're going to pass it and you're going to get done with it and you're going to be fine. Okay? The next thing that you're going to do, and it's in this slide, so hopefully you can see the next slide from here, I have attached a pre-test, a beginning of the year assessment. So in 5th grade, they're taking the beginning of the year assessment on Friday. There are like 42 questions. And so I decided, since we're doing it online, I'm going to split that between 2 days because I want you to be able to focus and take your time. So what's going to happen is I have assigned, and I have put it on there with this assignment. It's going to be a little link on the next slide. And it's going to have the beginning of the year assessment part 1. So it's about 20 points, 23 points for today and then also for tomorrow. And what's going to happen is you're going to just complete the first part today and then the next part tomorrow. Couple of things to keep in mind. First of all, I want to know what you know and what you don't know. You are not going to get every question right. Some of you might get every question wrong, and that's okay. This assessment is basically testing you on things that you're going to learn throughout 5th grade, and you've never been in 5th grade before. So it is okay if for some reason you didn't do so hot or you didn't feel so hot about it or you forgot stuff. That is okay. This is going to be a way for me to know what groups I need to put you in, maybe who I need to work with on fractions and who do I need to work with on measurement. It helps me to be a better teacher because it helps me to know what you remember and what you don't. Okay? I understand that you are home and I understand you are not in the room. However, I need you to take this seriously. I don't want you to ask for help from adults. I don't want you to ask for help from anyone else. And I don't want you to do anything besides just your work. The reason being is if I think that you already know the fraction standard and I don't put you in that fraction group, am I able to work with you on it? No. So keep that in mind. I really want to know what you know. And then finally, I decided to do something fun for you guys. Instead of just doing extra math and our assessment, I decided I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have you guys log into Prodigy. So I have set up in a class for each of my sections of math classes, and I'm going to let you log into Prodigy and do a little bit of fun activities. So what you're going to do is after you've done extra math, after you did the pretest, then you need to make sure you look at that last slide because there's going to be a question on there, and I'm going to talk about that in a minute. So after you've done those things and clicked turn in, then finally you can do your Prodigy. The way Prodigy is going to work is you're going to go ahead and click login. When you click login, you can log in with Google. The thing about logging in with Google is it keeps all of your information. And it makes it a little easier to transfer from year to year to year. So if you played last year and did Prodigy last year and you logged in with Google, then all of your points and everything that you did works and transfers to this year. After you log in, it will have a little button that you push that says add teacher or add class code. Okay? When you look at the Prodigy link on Google Classroom, the class code will be right under it. So you will know what class code to put in, and that will add you to my class. Okay, the good thing about being in my class on Prodigy is sometimes I'm going to give you an assignment to do in Prodigy. Sometimes I'm going to assign a specific topic. The reason why I do that is because maybe we all need to work on adding fractions, okay? Prodigy is something that you can do every day. I'm not going to require it every day, but it is something that if you want to, you can. I do want you to do other things besides Prodigy. So I am going to offer other options, but if you're done with all of your work and you want to get on and play the game, go for it. That's perfectly fine. Going back to the slides. So remember I said I'll tell you about that in a minute. The very last slide on your Google presentation today that you're watching this video on. So again, this video, and then you'll have your test, and then there will be one more slide. On that last slide, there will be a question. And basically, it's going to ask you, how did you feel about your beginning of the year assessment? Were you confident? Were there things on the test that you remember learning, but you didn't remember how to do it? Is there something that you felt was extremely difficult and you have no idea what to do? Or is there something that you pretty much feel confident in about? Is there something that you feel like you could master and you can rock out and you're really, really good at? And maybe you would even want to work with a group or work with a partner to help them on that topic. Let me know. So there's going to be a question that says literally, how did you feel about the beginning of the year assessment? And I want you to tell me whatever you feel. If you thought it was easy, put that. If you thought it was very hard, put that. So that's what you're going to need to do for your last part of the assignment today. Finally, always make sure that you click Turn In. The Turn In button right there at the very top is how I know that you finished the lesson for the day. Okay, so please, please, please make sure you hit the Turn In button. I hope that you are going to have a great day. I am here if you have any questions. Don't forget our Zoom meetings. I do have a Zoom meeting set up for each class today, so it's not required. The one today is just a little bit for fun. Remember, a lot of people yesterday were able to share some information, but not everyone was. So I want to make sure that we have the opportunity for everyone to share. I would love to talk to each and every one of you again. If for some reason you were not able to get on yesterday, please try to get on today. It would be very helpful for me to be able to put a face with a name, and then to at least talk to you for a little bit. Okay? I hope you guys have a great day. Remember to just try your best, keep working hard, and if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to message or send me a private message on the Google Classroom. Okay? Thanks, guys.